Hello, everybody. What's up, my Dawn Fizzlers? My ponytail is popping. Popping, bitch. Girl, I got some food today. You guys hungry? Because we got a whole motherfucking roasted chicken. And a big old mac and cheese. Girl, I ain't even put the sauce on it yet. You want to see it? You want to watch me put that sauce on? Girl, you know who I'm talking. I'm talking to you, girl. It's going to be so cheesy. We already got a little butter in there. Let's put it. You can see the steam coming off of it. Let's drip that fat cheesy cheese. Oh, yeah. I should go get another pack of this Velveeta. I got an extra pack in there. I don't know if this will be enough. This is a pretty good sized pack, though. Give me a fat packet of cheese, dude. I don't remember these cheese packets being like fat. I love cheese, bro. Like Nick Avocado. He loves cheese. I'm not going to sing his song because I don't want to get copyrighted. But I just want him to know that I agree that I love cheese. It's a different song, okay? It's me singing about Nick Avocato's song. Oh, shout out Nick Avocado. Where do you think I get it from? He made me obsessed with cheese. Cheese butter. That's what I call it. Cheese butter. Let's mix it up. Jesus. I'm not a milk person. I used to put milk in my mac and cheese, but I don't drink milk anymore. So, no more milk. No more milk. No more milk. That's okay. You guys hear that? You know what that sound means. It means it's good, bitch. It's good. Mmm. Brought some Cholula. Make it a little spicy. I don't know what you guys like, but I do like some shit spicy. It's a big spoon. Let's pour it out on the tray so you guys can see it. Make it easier for me to eat it too. Mmm, all its gloriousness. Oh, why do I always get stuff on my floor? I swear. Every day. It's something new. Now, I was taking notes at work today of all the stupid things that customers say to me so I could tell you guys and you guys could be like, oh, your customer's so stupid. But I forgot the paper outside my car before I started this video. So I'm not going to run out there and get it just so I can read the 2 things I wrote down today that made me laugh. Customers say some really silly things though. I mean, I'm not the smartest individual. Not judging, but oh, we really get some bright ones. Mmm. This chicken is just, you can see the juice is dripping. See? Oh, it's juicy and tender. Oh, almost dropped it on the floor. Oh my god. Hold over my mac and cheese while I give you a close-up. Look, it's all moisty. So how are you guys today? I was kind of grumpy at work today. I need a vacation. I just work too much. I feel like lately all the time I have time to do is work and eat. So, sleep. So here I am. Guess where I just came from? My boss was like, "You really need to chill today?" I was like, "Bro, this place stresses me out. Gotta get me out of here." But even though I need a vacation, I don't have enough money to take a vacation right now. Because in order for me to take a vacation, I need to have some money in savings. And let me break it down to you. Because the sad reality is, I owe money. And I need a new car. So even if I do put money in my savings, there's no way I can touch it to take a vacation. So I'm not going to have a vacation for a long time. But that's okay. I can do this. I got this. It's really hard to live alone and pay all these bills by yourself. Sometimes you just don't get to see your family. And you don't get to see your friends. You don't get to do what you want to do, you know? Definitely don't have any time to date, so can forget about that. Like that was even an option. Sorry. Probably shouldn't talk about that right now. It'll make me lose my appetite. And I'm hungry. So I don't want to lose my appetite. I'm really excited for Halloween though. I really just wish I had some good scary movies on TV. So I stopped at Redbox today and rented The Purge. The new one gets out. And then some other movie. But I just got tired of seeing the same scary movies on like Hulu and Netflix. I watch scary movies all the time, so if there's a new one on Netflix, I know about it. I love scary movies. Oh, I found a bunch of Halloween movies on YouTube. And they're like good ones. Bootleg the whole movie. So that's pretty cool. But I like watching more than just Halloween. Or Halloween Town. I found that too. You can find all kinds of good movies on YouTube. I love the YouTube generation. first, I was very skeptical of the YouTube generation. I think everybody was. I mean, I was unsure about how good it was going to be for our society. When you think about our society in terms of where it's been going all of eternity since it started, I feel like this is literally where it's been meant to go. It's like we have been working on communication with each other throughout the world for centuries. And now we're in this era where we have YouTube and Facebook and all these crazy like things that we can just like connect with each other so well on. It's just a fucking great time to be alive, guys. I just have to let you know, my burps come out of nowhere. And I'm a burper, belcher, cougher, spitter, nose picker. My chicken kind of looks a little pink, you know. It's kind of messing with me. If this chicken ain't done, I'm gonna punch Price Chopper in the face. No, I think it's okay. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's fine. Yeah, oh yeah, it's fine. It's white down there. I guess I'm colorblind. I love chicken. I miss my friend Kelly. She's been going through a really hard time lately. She's had like the worst year ever. And I just really wish I could spend more time with her. She deserves to be happier. I mean, we all do, but she doesn't deserve what she's been put through this last year. I have some pretty good friends in my life, but I've been kind of distant lately because I work so much. And my car sucks. So I kind of have to rely on them to get over here. I don't know what my family and my friends are going to think when they watch my videos here on YouTube. But I guess it doesn't really matter. This is just me. This is who I am. I'm just being me. I'm going to talk about me. I'm going to talk about what I hate. I'm going to talk about what I like. I'm going to eat a bunch of food that's obviously not good for me. I'm going to burp. Sometimes I'm going to eat healthy food so I can like make some people happy. But really this is about making me happy. I'm going to do what I want to do till the day I die. And that's a fact, bitch. I should start making like food porn videos like, oh, oh, I'm just joking. I was thinking about taking you guys in the office and showing you the toys. Ow. Crystal. What do you guys think? I'm just kidding. Can't answer me right now. Let's see, like the dry white meat is down here. It's nice. There's still a lot of chicken here. There's going to be plenty of leftovers, it looks like. This is when I wish I had a dog. Not to give them chicken bones, because they can't eat that, but like, mix the chicken skin in with their dog food and give them a treat, you know? Why not? I don't even like chicken skin. I heard chicken skin's great for dogs. Oh, by the way, guys, my last mukbang, I showed you these. I have to say, like, fucking addicting. Couldn't stop eating them. Like, I had to literally throw the bag away from my bed because I couldn't stop eating them. And I was like, I gotta go to sleep. Get out of my hand. Because sometimes I'm a night eater. I'll get up in the middle of the night and I'll go get something and munch on it, you know? Like, I'll turn my TV on and fucking chill like 2 o'clock in the morning eating Cheez-Its. I'm not one of the stand at the fridge kind of person and eat. I know there's people like that out there that'll like stand there and eat Ben & Jerry's out of the ice cream carton. Or like stand there and eat spaghetti while standing in front of the fridge. I can't do that. Like, I've always been a go get my snacks and bring them back to my bed kind of person. That was like a gurgly burp. Also like anime. Like, I like watching anime and I like collecting anime toys and stuff. Oh. I was thinking about doing some food painting projects. I was gonna paint a sprinkled donut with pink icing. It's like the quintessential donut. I'm gonna paint one of those so I can hang it up on my wall. I gotta paint something for my friend Kelly too. Been owing her something. Everybody wants a painting from me, but I just haven't been in the mood to paint. Fucking depression, stealing all my dreams. I need to bust out my comic books and organize them though too. God, there's so much I have to do, guys. Why can't I get anything done? Bro. Oh yeah, sauce it up. Saucy. Well done, Fizzlers. Spicy. Spicy. I do that at work constantly. I'll be like, coffee, or chicken, or drinks, or water. Because I have really bad anxiety. And sometimes when I'm not in a good mood, if I do that, it'll keep me from stuttering and like trying to take their order. Or getting impatient while I'm at the table because I've been stuttering or something, whatever stupid reason. It actually just helps a lot. My brain just clicks. When I do it, it like just literally just calms me down. Sometimes when I'm about to greet a big table, I get like really antsy for some reason. Like my brain's almost like my brain's telling me, you can't do this, you stupid bitch. You suck. You know, like basically that's what anxiety is. It's like you're gonna fail is basically what anxiety is trying to tell you. That's the only way I can explain it because it's so weird. It's like a feeling and almost like a suggestion and gesture inside your brain of how to act, and it's hard to explain, but you get to the table and you're like, got the pen and pad out, and you're like, we have Pepsi products, you know, like I just start fucking up, like I can't think straight, and then I start talking about, or I try to explain things and I don't say them right. They're like, well, how is the chicken? Or can I get this sausage instead of this sausage? And I'm like, well, if you get that sausage, then you have to pay this price. And if you don't want to pay that price, then you only get this amount of sausages. And I mean, pancakes. I mean, sausages. And then, see, from there, it's all fucked up. I just fuck it up. So, behind the scenes, if you ever see me back in the kitchen while I'm getting drinks together or whatever, working in the kitchen, if I'm like sauces, or if I'm like cleaning, if I'm doing that, that is because I'm trying to kick my nerves and my stupid triggers. I get triggers. You guys want to see some of my toys? Here, I'll take you on a tour to the toy room, since I have been telling you guys forever that you were going to see the toy room. But I haven't brought you in there. Alright. So let's go. Oh, that's my Why So Genius. It's like a play on Joker and Einstein. Don't mind my shitty apartment, guys. Taking you on a tiny tour. Let's see, this is my office. Let's show you the merch. No, I'm just kidding. This is some of my toy collection. I'll turn this around so you guys can see. Oh, it's not turning it around. I guess I'll have to do this because it's already facing this way. You were just basically looking at what was behind me. So, there's Galactus. He still talks too. making me look bad, dude. He still lights up and works. And look, these are like little minifigures. We got the Spider-Man gang, the Spider-Man gang. Oh. Yeah, we got Green Goblin, Venom. Look, I put a little teeny mouse trap next to Mickey. Looks like collecting minifigures. Got the whole Simpsons gang. Gang! Look, that's one of my favorite Darkwing Duck characters. Well, he's also from DuckTales. Gizmo Duck. And there's old Buzz Lightyear. There's a little mini Galactus. I don't know if you know your Marvel, but... Oh, look, and inside... Oh, where is it? Oh, inside there, there's tiny little figurines. You can see Spider-Man. And then... down here, we got some GoBots and Stompers. My favorite, Mr. Bumpy. There's also a Power Rangers dork. Then over here, some of my Mash'ems. See my squishy guys? There's like Boba Fett and the Ghostbusters. I got Yoda and Iron Man, Venom, all the Spider-Man gang. Got some Stompers. There's some more like, see, look, there's a Darkwing Duck board game. I really like Darkwing Duck. Some Transformers there, vintage. Some vintage GoBots. What you know about those, bro? Man, it's hard to do this with your phone. Vintage GoBots. What you know, bro? What? Mordecai. With Pops hanging off the back of a golf cart. That's a remote control golf cart from Regular Show. I'm a big Rick and Morty fan as well. Some more Transformers and GoBots. Also like these like DC metal figures. There's Jokers. I got Batmobile. I got this Stay Puft guy from the Ghostbusters. Those are some more GoBots on top. Down here, we got my other die-cast Batman and a Rick and Morty playset. Man, that's just one shelf. But, yeah, basically that gives you an idea of, like, stuff I like to collect. So, we can get out of here. I love my toy room. Oh, look, this is cool, actually. Let me show you this swirly. This is one of my favorite things I just bought. Super excited. Dork moment. Alright, so if you can see, let's get a good angle right there. No? Yeah, there. See, that's a tiny, mini package version of Hot Wheels. Look how tiny it is. It's fucking tiny. Look how tiny it is. There's my finger. There's the car. It's tiny. It's like the tip of my finger. And it's a little Hot Wheels package. It's called the world's smallest. They're collectibles. It's like this new thing that I saw at Toys R Us before they closed out. Okay. So excited that I got that. Alright, guys. Let's go back. Oh, look, cool. Want to see something cool? This was hanging outside in the parking lot today. So, Kohl's cart for free, bro. I mean, it was just out in the driveway, so I was like, bring it inside. Why not? There's not a Kohl's anywhere near here. Alright, guys. Well, hey, you've been beautiful. I thank you so much for coming and joining me. You are my Dawn Fizzlers. I love you so much. Come back and enjoy many more mukbangs to come. I love you. Stay beautiful. Stay safe. Comment below. Subscribe. Like. Share. Thank you. Bye.